Hello students, welcome to the channel. Students, today I am going to give the answer of chapter number 6, composition of matter from a standard general science. Let's solve the question answer. See the exercise. First one, choose the appropriate option and rewrite the following statement. First one, the intermolecular force is dash in the particles of solid. Answer will come. Third one, maximum. B. Solid retain their volume even when external pressure is applied. This property is called incompressibility. C. Matter is classified into the types mixture, compound, and elements by applying the criterion chemical composition of matter. D. Matter that contains two or more constituent substance is called mixture. E. Milk is an example of type of matter called heterogeneous mixture. F. Water, mercury, and bromine are similar to each other because three are liquids. G. Valency of carbon is 4 and that of oxygen is 2. From this we understand that there are two chemical bonds between the carbon atom and one oxygen atom in the compound carbon dioxide. Question number 2. Identify the odd term and explain. Question number 3. Answer the following question. First one, plant synthesizes glucose in sunlight with the help of chlorophyll from carbon dioxide and water and give away oxygen. Identify the four compounds in this process and name their type. B. In one sample of brass, the following ingredients were found: copper 70% and zinc 30%. Identify the solvent, solute, and solution from this. C. Sea water tasted salty due to the dissolved salt. The salinity, the proportion of salt in water of some water bodies, Lonar Lake 7.9%, Pacific Ocean 3.5%, Mediterranean Sea 3.8, Dead Sea 33.7. Explain two characteristics of mixture from above information. Question number 4. Give two examples each. Question number 5. Write the names and symbols of the constituent elements and identify their valencies from the molecular formula given. Question number 6. Chemical composition of some matter is given in the following table. Identify the main type of matter from there. Question number 7. Write scientific reason. A. Hydrogen is combustible. Oxygen helps composition, but water helps to extinguish fire. B. Constituent substances of a colloid cannot be separated by ordinary filtration. C. Lemon sherbet has sweet, sour, and salty taste, and it can be poured in a glass. D. A solid matter has the properties of definite shape and volume. Question number 8. Deduce the molecular formula of the compound obtained from the following pairs of elements by the cross multiplication method.